Hi, my name is Darren Devera, and here is my Unity UFO game for the computer science course for game creation. So here in the hierarchy, we have the main camera. It's set up at a field of view of 35, and it has this script where basically wherever the player moves, the camera will follow. And that is set up through this offset thing based off of the player's position on the scene. Here in the background that we got from the sprite pack from the asset store. Same thing with the pickups and the player itself. But the background is just placed in the center of the screen, and it's been given the box collider so that the player doesn't whoosh out. And the player itself is the UFO. It's been given rigid body so that physics applies, and a circle collider so that when it hits the wall, it doesn't go through it. And when it hits the pickups, which is a prefab that we made with the tag pickup, it'll basically set the pickup set active to false, which will make it turn off on our screen, and then it'll add on to this counter. So here in the code you can also see here's the input stuff, where whichever directional key you press, that's the movement, and it's multiplied by speed, so the speed of the movement. But I want to direct our attention to this constant, the count. So we have 8 pickups, and this code basically says for each pickup add a counter to 1, and as soon as it gets to 8, which is what this code's for, our win text will show up. So our win con basically is to pick up all of the pickups that we placed around. So here we go. You'll notice that the player is already rotating. That's because I added the rotation script onto the player thing because it looked nice. And I thought that it's very UFO-y if it's already moving by the time you enter the game. So as you can see, the score is 8, and we win. Booyakasha. And that's pretty much it. You'll see that there's a galaxy background, and that's just because I'm extra. Alright, thanks for watching.